Hey guys, it's Adam here from F150LEDs.com. Today we have our Ranger here in the shop. We're going to be showing you how to switch out the OEM front marker lights right here. It's a super easy install. We're just going to go ahead and jump right into it. To do so, there's a small clip located on the back of this housing right here. And you can just reach behind here and just push that tab in, and it'll pop the housing right out. A little tip to help out if you're having trouble with it is you can push your wheel well liner back a little bit and you'll be able to see that clip better, then help you push it as well. It's super simple. You do it with one hand. Just push up on that clip and it'll pop right out just like so. So what we're gonna do, once you've removed the housing, give it a counterclockwise turn, and that is going to expose your old glass OEM bulb. Now you want to be careful when removing these bulbs. If they have been on, they are going to be very hot due to how inefficient they are. They put out a lot of heat, so just be careful. And then also you don't want to squeeze too hard when pulling it out because you don't want to break your bulb. So we're going to go ahead and just pull this bulb out like so. And then we're going to take our MK2 front marker light from F150LEDs.com and we're going to put it right back into place. Now what you're going to want to do once you've done that is you could take your key and press unlock, and if it lights up, you're good to go. If you press unlock and it doesn't light up, don't worry, these are polar sensitive, so just remove the bulb, flip it 180 degrees and put it back in, and then you'll be good to go. So now that we've went ahead, put our bulb in, all there's left to do is put our housing back into the truck. So what we're going to do is just line up your tabs on the back of that housing, give it a clockwise turn to lock it into place. You'll line up your tab here, like so, and then you'll hear your front marker assembly click right back into place. So that's all there is, guys, to just switching out that old dingy OEM bulb to our just super bright front marker kit from F150LEDs.com. You can check out this kit and all of our other amazing kits for your Ranger, your F-150, your Super Duty, and your Broncos at F150LEDs.com. We truly appreciate your support. We look forward to seeing you there. Thanks, guys.